Did you see that article about the factory robots replacing assembly line workers? Crazy, right?
Yeah, I saw it. Scary stuff if you think about it. What happens to all those people who lose their jobs?
Exactly. It makes you wonder what the future of work even looks like. Will there even be enough jobs for everyone with all this automation?
Maybe not the same kind of jobs, that's for sure. But new ones will pop up, right? Like the people who have to program and maintain these robots.
That's true, but will there be enough of those new jobs to make up for the ones lost? And what about the people whose skills don't translate well to these new tech jobs?
That's a good point. I think there's going to be a big push for retraining programs and lifelong learning. People will need to be adaptable and willing to learn new things all the time.
Absolutely. And maybe the future of work isn't even about full-time jobs anymore. Maybe it's more about freelancing, gig economy, or a combination of things.
Interesting. So, we could see more people working remotely, on flexible schedules, maybe even across different projects for different companies.
Exactly. Maybe the focus will shift to skills and expertise rather than a specific job title. People could build portfolios of their work and find projects that suit their strengths.
That could be a positive change. More freedom and control over your work. But it also sounds a bit unstable, you know? No guaranteed benefits, no regular paycheck.
True, there are definitely trade-offs. It would be interesting to see how social safety nets and worker protections adapt to this new landscape.
You're right. There's a lot we don't know yet about the future of work. It's a complex issue with no easy answers.
Exactly. But hey, at least we're starting the conversation. It's overwhelming to think about, isn't it? All this change. I wonder what kind of skills will be most in demand in the future.
That's a good question. Technical skills will definitely be important, but I think soft skills will be just as crucial. Being able to communicate effectively, work collaboratively, and think creatively. Those will be valuable assets no matter the industry.
Absolutely. And maybe problem-solving skills too. Because with all this new technology, there's bound to be unexpected challenges that need solutions.
Definitely. And the ability to learn quickly and adapt to change. The world is moving at a rapid pace, so being flexible will be key.
It sounds like the future workforce will need to be lifelong learners and problem solvers with strong communication skills. Kind of like superheroes of the professional world.
Superheroes? Huh? I like that. Maybe instead of fearing automation, we can use it as an opportunity to create a more dynamic and fulfilling work experience.
You know, that's actually a positive way to look at it. Maybe AI can take care of the repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of work. It could be a good partnership.
Exactly. Humans and machines working together to achieve greater things. Now that's a future I can get behind.
Me too. But I still think there are some ethical considerations we need to address. Like, who will have access to these new technologies and opportunities? And how do we ensure a fair playing field for everyone?
Those are crucial questions. We need to make sure the future of work is inclusive and benefits everyone, not just the tech-savvy elite.
Absolutely. It's going to require a lot of planning, collaboration, and maybe even some policy changes to ensure a smooth transition for everyone.
Well, one thing's for sure, the future of work is going to be fascinating.
Absolutely. And maybe a little scary, but hopefully also incredibly exciting. Who knows, maybe we'll be part of shaping it ourselves.
Now that's a thought. We might not be replaced by robots after all. Maybe we'll be the ones wielding the metaphorical wrenches and writing the code, shaping them to make our lives easier and our work more fulfilling. It's a future brimming with possibilities, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. To the future of work. May it be innovative, adaptable, and most importantly, retain that crucial human element. After all, isn't that what separates us from the machines?
Here. And hey, speaking of innovation and adaptability, who knows, maybe in this new future of work, the dreaded early morning commutes will become a relic of the past. Maybe we can finally trade rush hour traffic for a sunrise stroll on the beach, all while tackling projects from a hammock with a laptop in hand.
Now you're talking. Imagine the possibilities, a work environment that fosters creativity, flexibility, and a healthy work-life balance. Now that's a future I can truly get excited about. This conversation has definitely sparked a fire within me. I think I might need to do some research on these new skill sets we discussed.
Excellent idea. And who knows, maybe our paths will cross again in this new work landscape. Perhaps we'll be working alongside robots, or maybe even for a company that thrives on remote, collaborative workforces.
The future is wide open, James. Here's to embracing the change and shaping the future of work together.
Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.